here! Tigger is here! Take this, and that, and another that, and some of this, and some more.
No, Tigger!
And take one of these.
Sorry, a vacuum
More of
cleaner!
these over here, and then...
Oh no! You put it in reverse!
Christopher Robin? What are you doing?
But Mom, it isn't my fault.
What a disaster.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought he was asleep. Honest. I can't imagine how this... There's this dragon, see? I mean, I can't understand. And then Long John Tigger, he tried to steal the honey. Christopher Robin. Poor Sammy got hungry. So Piglet, he took off in a rocket.
You got
And then the dragon caught Pooh and...
That's enough, young man. How could you make such a mess?
It was easy.